5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On you go. 2 left 60 and a long 3 right downhill and a hairpin right after blow side. And a long 2 right uphill 60. You know this one, huh? Long 2 right 60 and a flat crest 170. Flat crest 170. And the late 3 left 80. Late 3 left 80. And a 4 right 230 then. 4 right 230. And a crest at top 100 and turn square left around Bales. And a 1 right 100. 1 right 100. And a 1 left, 2 left, and 1 right 60. 2 left, a 1 right 60, and a slow 2 left, 4 right. 4 right, 2 left here, 1 4 right, and 330. Turn hairpin left. Hairpin left. Around Bales 150. A 1 right 150. Downhill. And a cut 3 right and a flat 2 left 60. Cut 3 right, flat 2 left 60. And a 1 right, go on, keep it going now, and a 1 right 130. 1 right 130, and a flat 2 left 80, and a flat 2 right 170. Flat 2 right then after 170. And a chicane right entry. 170, go on, keep going. Chicane right entry, and a 5 left at lane. 60. 5 left 60. And a long 1 left. Long 1 left 40 and a 4 right to 4 left. And a 40 to square right up here. 4 right, 4 left 40 to square right up here. Square right here, up here 40. Well done. 2 right, 130 and a square left. Square left 150. And a 1 right 130 and a square left and a square right 40. Square left, square right 40. And a long crest, only 60 and a turn square right at sign, 500. 500 out then, on you go now. 5 right after sign, 100. 5 right down here after sign, 100. And a 5 left. Well done. 5 left, don't cut. And a flat crest, 1 right. Flat crest, 1 right, 100. Chicane, right entry. And 100 out with 2 crossroads. And crest, the 3 right over gravel. 3 right over gravel, 40 and a 2 left. 3 right over gravel, 42 left, 60 and a flat 1 right, 200. Flat 1 right 200 and the 3 right, a wipe here, only 60 in the square left. 3 right here, only 60 in square left, 350. Well done, head. Crest in the flat, or fast 4 right 100. Fast 4 right 100. 4 right here 100. And a flat 2 right. Flat 2 right 200. Flat 2 right 200 and a flat crest 300 downhill, chicane right entry. 300 downhill, chicane right entry. And 80 over. 80 over and a long flat 2 right. Uphill. Long flat 2 right uphill and a 1 left 60. A 1 left 60 and a 1 right over crest and a 1 left 100. And the 3 left and 3 left again. 1 left 100 and 3 left again. 100. Turn square right. 100. 100 here, turn square right, 100 over. Come on, you going out. 4 left, 3 right, and 3 left, and a 4 right. 4 left, 3 right, 3 left, 4 right. 4 right and a long 2 left. Long 2 left, 4 right, 20. 4 right here, 60. And turn square left, opens. Square left opens, 700. Fast long 3 left, opens 170. Long fast 3 left, opens 170. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. And a flat 3 right. Flat 3 right then after, 170 over that. Flat 3 right here, and a flat 2 right, 150. Go on, keep it at. Go on, it's flat. Well done. The flat 2 right, 150 chicane. Go on, keep going, 150 to chicane. Oh, lad. 1 left, 130, and a hairpin right. Hairpin right around Bales, 130. Flat 1 left, and a flat 2 right, and 2 left, 80. 2 left, 80, and a fast 2 right, 60 downhill and a 3 left. 2 right here, 60 downhill, 3 left, 80. 3 left, 80 here, and a flat 1 left. Flat 1 left over crest, a 3 left, a past pole, and a 2 right. 3 left here, and a 2 right, and a 1 left, 150 chicane. Go on, keep going. Right entry, and 130 over. Now you're at. And a very long 3 right and a turn square left. Very long 3 right and turn square left, 170. Square left, 170. Right on flat, right on crest, and a slow 3 left, only 20 in a square right. 3 left, only 20 in a square right. And a 1 right, 60. 1 right, 60, only 60 and a 5 left. Only 60 and a 5 left, 40. 5 left, 40 and a 1 right, 60. 1 right, 60 and a 4 left and a 5 right. 4 left here and 5 right, 170. 5 right, 170. The short 4 left past wall and a 1 right, 100. 4 left up here and a 1 right, 100. Well done, and a care 2 left and the 3 right, 40. 2 left, 3 right, 40. Go on, keep going. 3 left, 40. And a 4. This is a 4 left here. And a 1 right, 40. 2 left, 2 left, 80. And a late 4 right. Late 4 right, 60. And a 5 left. 5 left here and a 2 right, 150. 2 right, 150. And a very long 2 right, 60. Keep her going now. And a 2 left, tight and 60. 2 left, tight and 60 here. And a 1 left over bump, okay, 230. Go on, keep going. 230. Here, or square left up here then, around the bales, 40. 40 and a 1 left. 1 left, 200. 1 left, 200. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go on, keep going. No, it's over, is it? Ah, for fuck's sake, we're getting already caught and all that. Stupid. Come on, that fella's winding us on. The other fella's telling us to stop. Where are we now? 3 right, 1 left, and a flat 3 right. Past fence. Short 5 right here, I think. Going out ahead, I don't know. Short 5 right, 40. And a 2 left. 2 left, 130. 2 left, 130, and a turn square left, 40. Square left up here, 40. And a fast, or a flat even, 2 left. Flat, 200. Flat 2 left, 200. And a 2 right over crest, and 1 right past pier, and a 2 left. 2 right over crest, 1 right past pier, 2 left, 40, and a crest, 100.
What's this, lad?
2 left, go on, 40. There's 2 left here now, sorry. The crest, 100, and a 5 left past gate down here. 5 left down here at 100. 100 over. A 1 right, 80, and a square left, and a square right, 40. Square left here, square right 40. Square right 40 and a flat 2 right. Flat 2 right now, 150. And a long 1 right, only 60 and a 4 right past fence. Into 3 left. 4 right here past fence, 3 left 150. 3 left here 150. And a flat 1 left, 1 right. Keep it going now, 100. And a 1 left 80. And a fast 3 right. Fast 3 right and a 1 left. Fast 3 right here, 1 left 40. Go on, keep going. 1 left 80. 1 left 80 here and a 2 left 40 and a 2 right, 2 left kink. 1 left, 2 left here, 40. 2 right, 2 left kink, only 60. And a 4 right. 4 right here, 60. 2 left carry speed and a 3 left pass lane 40 and a 4 left. 2 left, 3 left, 40 and a 4 left. 4 left here. 270 over finish. Go on. And a 1 right 150. 1 right 150 and there's a 5 right up. Alright, Ted. Well done.